Hey guys, Giorgio here. Hope you had a good New Year break. And to kick off 2025, we're offering all new members from age 5, kindergarten, right through to teenagers and adults, free training for the month of January. That's no obligation, free training in all our programs: Hapkido, muaythaikickboxing, Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, weapons and women's only, at both locations, Giant Bexley and Giant Belmore. Free training for this month of January. It's a great way to try something new. Come down, check out the classes, meet the coaches, tell your friends and family, and we'll see you on the mat.